Myself, Hina Adnani here. I'm 22 years old and I handle the event operations and the marketing for the company. This is my head, Mr. Rushikesh Bhatt here. So here today we are going to present the challenges we face and the solution and the outcome we got for the Namaste Trump event operations. A little bit brief about our company. We have been in this industry since last 18 years and our USP has been event technology and registration management since last 10 years. And our core stands into government summits and trade shows and medical conferences. We have an in-house team of 25 members for the IT and the data management. The highlights of the event was, given the size of the event, the total footfall amounted to more than 1.25 lakh. And for that, we had to set up 250 plus batch printing counters, and to manage that we had to hire skilled manpower of 350, which included a core team members of 19. The challenges we faced during the event was, as we all know, that time plays a crucial role in our day-to-day lives, and it became a major constraint for us during the event. We were given only 7 hours to start the work, and there were less than 10 days left to the event. And we had to, the major objective here was to print more than 1.25 lakh badges during this period. So we had to implement 24/7 as working pattern. Security being the major concern here, given that it's a government project, there were requirements of changes to be done in the software. There were multiple concurrent events on hands with us in Lucknow, Baroda and Gandhinagar. And one of them was an international event that was CMS COP13. Government approval plays a major role in this event. As you all know that Trump was coming here, and it was a major security purpose was the highest priority on the list. So we had to take approvals from different departments and had to spend more times in the daily meetings rather than focusing on the work that was given to us. The target which was given to us was 10,000 pre-event badges to be printed for the service providers that were present there working 24/7, and to print more than 1.25 lakh badges for the visitors and the government employees, the VIP or the delegates that were going to come before the event day itself. For that, we had to print more than 1.25 lakh badges and lanyards to be printed in that period of time. And there were 12 types of badge category that were present. It took a little bit more time compared to the other patches, that it was a photo badge, and the verification took some time. As I already told you, security being the top on the priority list. So each data and badges had to be verified with the police department after it being verified by the different departments or the organizers. And we had to keep all the records in hand, whether it be a soft copy or the hard copy. And in such a less time, we had to set up 3 setups that were in, 2 were in the venue itself, and 1 was 4 kilometers far away. So the coordination also was a little bit tough. There was very less time, as already mentioned, that we were given only 7 hours to install the hardware, networking, electrification, furniture, or else any work to be started. And major limitation that came here was we did hire the manpower, but to train that manpower. If we don't train them properly, there were chances that a chaos might have been created. The solution that we came up with was a top solution. T stands for technology, O stands for organizational chart, and P stands for process. And under the technology, we have an online registration portal. We did a customized online registration link for all the different vendors, government employees, service providers, or other visitors. And automatic email confirmation was sent to them from the organizer's side about the batch collection date and time. And automatic email was sent, email and SMS was sent to the pending or cancelled registration, or maybe about the information whether they have uploaded a wrong document about them.
So there are the basically different process which we have implement. So reason to coming in mind, like that particular safety and security aspects is covered. So there is online, there is a one part, and there is a another part is the module, how you can actually control the each and every security database. You can shoot the email, you can basically assign a time for basically collecting badges, different with organizations, how you assign a car pass. So using an entire technology systems, and then it's absolutely hassle-free distributions by using this technology. So there is admin module, there is an online technology session there. Into the admin module also, there is the biggest, obviously, challenge and solutions which we have covered, because it's in government. So we need to print photographs. There is a filter option should be there. Batch printing setting option is to be changed. So that is absolutely very well customized, which you can completely on DIY system, like do it yourself. Reports is also, analytics matrix reports is also on there, basically available on senior officers mobile. So there's obviously spot registrations, where how we did it basically based on Aadhaar card verifications and through the digital signature handover to the particular department, and the spot registrations placed. So now the entry management, because it's mostly we are expertise in, it is a crowd management, obviously. So we have created entry management, because there is the biggest challenge is like, because so much crowd, you need to be like it fit in within a short time. So that entire entry management's done through the basically software system and batch printing solutions. Organization charts is a major playing a role. The methodology, how you place the person, where you place the person, what are the responsibilities, and how they're going to play their role. Because based on that, only events get success. And the major part of how you taking as challenge, taking a crowd into the stadiums and how it goes. So there is a project in charge client managers, hardware support managers, there is a technology manager, there is obviously inventory manager, because there are so many badges, so many categories which we need to handle. So within a short time, need to print badges, need to order badges, 7 to 10 days working time. Obviously being into the industry, you guys can imagine how the fast process and through the technology it's basically happened. So there's more than 19 people. It's our own from team who is managing overall over 350 people. So that's an organization, how we did it. The process is a very important part. So that is a data invert assign process. Then there is a batch printing, how it's placed in process. Then there is outward policy and verifications, and there is a delivery department. All the department having a particular role, and they go basically particularly one by one screening processed. So obviously, as we know, the outcome is good, because there are already, everyone has seen into the media also. We have a biggest opportunity to work on this kind of projects and another upcoming project, because we did, the outcome is absolutely fantastic. More understanding, because this is a very short time we have. So within 7 days, 10 days, we need to perform this. So it's a lot of understanding from the basically client, critical situations which we have learned. Obviously, we have achieved the target of keeping all crowd into the stadium by having this. Our project cost goes very high, because because of government, there are a lot of into the short time we need to implement. Into short time we need to print a stationery, and the organization is important with such an overwhelming response, which everyone sees. I don't need to much more talk about outcome, because people knows what are the outcome is there. Yeah, what we learn is basically a lot of modifications and innovation which we have learned, which we have implemented during this COVID. We're not discussing now. Listen, the most what the basic is, all entry and everything is on easy-going process. So that was the best. It's completely flawless on an event day. So thank you very much. I think just about out of time, so went very fastly. But I hope it's clear, and we're open for a question.
So over to jury. Please keep in mind that IPL semi-finals or finals are having at Narendra Modi Stadium. This company knows how to handle the stadium very well. So, any questions from jury, please?
No, I think it's a wonderful presentation, and I can understand it's a big achievement managing with the government protocols and with the highest level of security protocols, I would say managing that kind of an event in such a short span is an achievement. My question is that, we just saw in the presentations that we are creating the plastic waste and all those things. There are hazards. And did you ever thought of doing everything digital? Maybe, the process, security, everything was digital. Then why not a digital badge?
So during COVID, we have already managed and we have started implementing procedure of face recognitions. But we know event to event, actually more things is coming on face. And through face only the government protocol and they are screening a patch and they actually verify person to person. So that's the reason before it's near about COVID time anyway, but that's the reason they want actually a physical badge. Made it to do with a lot of government UP Summit, Vibrant Summit, MP Summit, Chhattisgarh Summit. So now they are coming to the point and they are ready to basically adopt the facial recognition systems. So we have already implemented, we're doing in a couple of shows, but unfortunately one of the shows supposed to start from 2nd to 4th April, it's postponed because of COVID. There we implement, but obviously digital badge system, we have basically installed the dynamic QR code where you are not going to be any problem of missing out any lates, and where none of the badge is going to be scanned and entered by another person. So that system is already implemented. So government is obviously going to be doing gradually day by day and doing new process. Maybe you will see those all face recognitions into the another upcoming events.
So what were you learning out of this this whole event?
Sir, our based learning is, we do actually in and out lot of these projects, but for this, because we have only 10 days time, believe me, because the crime commissioner said, and said, Rishi, you need to handle these projects, and we need to have just 7 days time. Before that, the actually event should be handled by GCA, or it's the entire systems is handled by maybe police department or Index TV. So those are not clear things. So learning is based into the very short time, and we know now that's the reason I would say organizational chart is play a major role, because a couple of person and those who are senior person is going to be only busy with the officers. They don't have a time, any single time to implement process and taking new challenges or facing the new challenges. So that was the biggest learning, and we know that things. So we have implemented good organizational chart. So that problem in fact we didn't face it. But coming into the more learning, as sir said, this is the digital is going to be obviously is going to work. There is going to be more security by facial recognitions in all systems.
So you organize in 10 days time.
Okay. This is managed in 10 days time, sir. Event
so similar event can you manage in 5 days time next?
Sir, it's absolutely possible with the processed. It's not 5 days time, even 2 days time. We actually
you have the process now with you with the learning.
We can.
So that's what my
initial
question was that only. So you have these all processes which you have done. Have you made a document out of it?
We have some documentations, proper documentation, flow chart, which we have submitted to government also at the end of event. That unfortunately, because that we can't actually show those documents, but the paperwork, not asked, the government asked us to maintain the paperwork. There are a lot of documentations also, because something was happened, so the document needs to be there. So the document is well submitted.
Any exhibitions you have handled, the B2B trade fair or
so B2B, lot of trade fair we handled. Into the Vibrant Trade Fair also we did IFEX also. We did second largest jewelry show. So a lot of the exhibitions we do maximum. These are the events actually comes up and we have to do it because of it needs to be done.
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions, sir?